When you enter Canva, you will see this. Click on the plus sign, click on custom size, click, then write 1500, 1500, then click on create new design. Now if anything like this comes up, just carry your hand and drag this one out. Then next, click on the empty white space. Now the first thing we want to do, we want to bring in our background. So you click on the plus, you go to gallery. Now in your gallery there are different folders. Now the what I sent you will be in your WhatsApp document folder, because I send them as document, so they will be in your WhatsApp document folder. So you go to your WhatsApp document. For me, I put my materials in a folder called materials. For you it will not be here, for you it will be in your WhatsApp document, please note. So I'll just click on this as the background, then I will come here, increase it to fit into the page. So this is it here. So the next thing I will do, I'll click on the plus button again. I want to bring in my food image, so I'll click on my pizza image. Sorry, I'll click on the pizza, click on add to page. So I'm just going to increase it here and place it here. Now the next thing I will do, I want to bring in some designs that were at the corner of this pizza image. So I'll click on the plus. This is it, the tomato design. So I'll click on add to page. So I will just put here like this. Then I'll use, with the help of this button, I'll copy and place the other one. I'll use this to rotate it, then place it here like this. Now the next thing I will do, I want to start writing my text, start writing things on this flyer. So the next thing, I'll click on my plus, I will scroll in this bottom, I will scroll to the right, I'll look for text, I'll click on text. Then you see this add the heading, I'll click on it. Then either you double tap or you click on edit to change the text. So I'm writing tasty pizza and block letters. Block letters mean capital letter. So I've written my tasty pizza. So I've written my tasty pizza. So I'm just going to carry it here like this. Now the next thing, I will choose font. Look at font, click on font. So the font I will choose, I'll just go to the bottom and look for this Archivo Black. Okay, so this is the font I'm picking. So I'm just going to click on an empty space on my work. I'll click on font size and increase the font size, or you can use the help of this, any of these four corner button, to increase your font size. Now the next thing I will do, you notice that the space between tasty and pizza is big, right? We want to reduce the space, so I'll scroll to the right, click on spacing, then line spacing. I'll reduce the line spacing like this. So the next thing I will do, I want to write something else, so I'll click on this one. Is not at the middle, let me place it at the middle. Yeah, next thing I will do, I want to write another thing, so I'll click on the plus, I'll click on text, then I'll click add a little bit of body text, because it's not an heading, so I'll use this. Then click on edit, right. So this is it. I'll just reduce it and move it to this place. Now when you are trying to move, you will not be able to use your hand to move it. What do? You click on this thing that is like four arrows pointing to the east, north, west and south. You just click on it, you can use it to move your test. So the last thing I will do, I'll click on the plus again. For test, I'll click on add a subheading. Then I'll click on edit, write in capital letters, order now. I'll reduce this, then place it here like this. Next, I'll click on it, go to format, this, then make it bold. The next thing I will do, I'll click on the plus sign. I'll scroll to the left, click on element. Then these lines and shape, click on it. Then I'll click on this shape. I'll bring it to the bottom here. Then with the help of this, I'm going to reduce it to something like this. Then for color, I'm going to choose white. Now for the color of the text, you know that this thing has covered the text, right? So I'll click on this text, the color, I'll change it to what? I'll change it to red. Then to save our design, just click on this button here. You can either click on this one or you click on this one.